Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by seating the spool on the mandrel and locking it so it spins true. This prevents wobble. Once done, guide the thread through the tension unit and the eyelet so the feed is steady. Make 5 to 10 slow starter turns by hand, then power at a low speed to confirm even lay. You're establishing thread path and tension now because inconsistent setup creates tangles later. Keep watching the first few wraps for alignment. You should now move the thread guide steadily across the spool width, using your hand to pace travel so overlaps are uniform. Once the thread lays evenly, fine-tune the tension knob. You want snug wraps that don't compress earlier layers. If the winder has a traversing arm, set its rate to match the spool width. If not, sweep your hand consistently. Increase machine speed slowly while monitoring wrap quality. Steady progression prevents bird nesting and creates. You finish by making a clean half hitch or tying the tail into the spool flange, then trim neatly. This prevents unraveling in storage. Once tied, slide the spool off carefully and inspect the layer for gaps or bulges. If you spot loose loops or unevenness, rewind slowly with slightly higher tension and lower speed. That corrects slack without compressing the core. Remember, small adjustments to tension and speed are the fastest fixes when the lay becomes irregular.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.